Right, a quick video, Wollongong Chippy here, talking about some building top tips. Two major top tips that I think are paramount being a builder of the 21st century because of all the changes is research and plan. Why am I focusing on these two? Alright, let's have a think. Research. So when I was doing this, when I studied for my building course 20 odd 30 years ago, we would pretty much have a standard method of construction: bearers and joists, stud frames, possibly slab on ground, brick veneer, cottages, timber framing. That was pretty much housing construction, and because it wasn't many different methods, you could just about memorize the sizes, the spacings, section sizes, and so forth. That was the standard method. It was prescribed, but it's changed, right? So let's look at a walling system. Let's Google innovative walling systems and see what you get. There is hundreds of them. Hundreds of different styles of wall systems that you can use that will be compliant with the building code, but you need to make sure you build them as per the manufacturer's guidelines. So for example, you've selected DINCEL structural walling system, which is a great method. How do you do it? You can't go to an Australian standard because there's so many. You can go to installing DINCEL, their installation guideline, and then go in and research. Do that for all wall systems that you're considering to use. Even do it before you're going to price the job. Even the Australian standards, okay? You've got waterproofing systems, you've got residential slab and footings. As a builder, you should know and you should be accessing them every week. And this is a prime example. So for example, if you've got a swimming pool and the boundary barrier, so you're putting a fence up, you would normally think that the rails had to be on the inside so that children couldn't climb over. It's actually not, it's the other way around. If you didn't realise that, you would probably have lost a lot of money by putting the rails on the wrong side and it didn't comply. That's where research is paramount. Right, you've researched, now you're ready to start your job, you've planned, you've got your fence up, you've sat there and you've spent loads of times on the drawings, you've planned ahead. Now, is this example of a builder that's planned ahead? I don't think so. This looks like a guy who's just like winging it. Expects the bricklayers to come on site and do the scaffolding. I wouldn't blame the bricklayers. That is solely on the builder. How do they plan it properly? So you use all these systems. Here is an example of Project Libre, Gantt chart. Now, if they've thought about it properly, I'll show you another example of Project Planner. They would have thought, okay, so let's get the scaffolding done before the brickwork's complete. First step up. That would ensure safety and improve your productivity. So it's paramount that you plan ahead. Make sure you built it in your mind as the PCB, you as the builder. I hope that helps. Thank you.